Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around the luxurious Audi A6 S-Line. Now this has a 2-litre TDI Ultra engine which gives you 190 horsepower. Outside you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, sports suspension, front and rear sensors. Inside there's DAB digital radio with a 10-speaker system including subwoofer. You've got a deluxe 4-zone air conditioning unit, cruise control, heated seats, and this car's only £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.